Welcome to Explore You Ever, your passport to the world's most fascinating cultures, flavors, and stories. Today, we're taking you on a mouth-watering journey through Italy, a country where food is not just a meal, but a way of life. This is Taste of Italy, from pasta to Parmigiano. It starts with flour, eggs, and tradition. For Italians, pasta is sacred, a recipe passed down like an heirloom. In every town, pasta has its own voice. In Bologna, you'll find tagliatelle made with rich egg yolks. In Naples, spaghetti is paired with the bold flavors of tomato and basil. And in the northern regions, you'll taste stuffed pasta like tortellini or agnolotti filled with meats, cheeses, and herbs. Pasta is never rushed. It's rolled, shaped, and cooked with precision, always al dente. Every region, from Sicily to Piedmont, holds a unique pasta identity. But more than a dish, pasta is comfort, celebration, and connection. It's Sunday family meals, wedding feasts, and quiet dinners shared with wine. But what would pasta be without cheese? Enter Parmigiano Reggiano, the king of Italian cheese. Made only in select provinces like Parma, Reggio Emilia, and Modena, this aged cheese is a masterpiece crafted with just 3 ingredients: milk, salt, and rennet. No shortcuts, no machines, just time, tradition, and skill. Parmigiano wheels age for a minimum of 12 months, often much longer. Each one is inspected, tapped, and tested by trained experts. When you crack open a 36-month wheel, you don't just get cheese, you get a symphony of flavors. Nutty, salty, savory, and rich. It's the perfect topping for pasta, risotto, and even eaten in crumbles with balsamic vinegar. In Italy, food is memory. It's the smell of sauce simmering, the sound of laughter at the table, the feel of dough beneath your hands. From handmade pasta to aged Parmigiano, Italy's culinary traditions are not just preserved, they're lived every single day. So the next time you take a bite of spaghetti or shave some Parmigiano over your meal, remember you're tasting centuries of culture, pride, and passion. Grazie for joining us on this delicious journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Explore You Ever, where every story is a new adventure. Ciao for now.